Welcome back to hsebox.com. In this toolbox we will talk about Excavation Competent Person. OSHA requires that a competent person be responsible for the safety of all workers in a trenching or excavation operation. OSHA defines a competent person as an individual who is capable of identifying existing and predictable hazards or working conditions that are hazardous, unsanitary, or dangerous to employees, and who is authorized to take prompt corrective measures to eliminate or control these hazards and conditions. The excavation competent person is required to have training in soil analysis and the use of protective systems, be knowledgeable about OSHA requirements, and have the authority to immediately eliminate hazards. Inspect the trench, adjacent areas, and any protective systems for possible cave-ins, failure of protective systems, hazardous atmospheres, or other hazardous conditions. Inspections must be performed daily, before work begins, throughout the shift, and after every rainstorm or other hazard increasing occurrence. Review a pre-task plan with the supervisor on a daily basis. Assure that the location of underground installations or utilities has been properly located. Identify and ensure the use of adequate protective systems, work methods, and personal protective equipment, PPE, on the excavation site. Test for low oxygen, hazardous fumes, and toxic gases, especially when gasoline engine-driven equipment is running, or the dirt has been contaminated by leaking lines or storage tanks. Ensure adequate ventilation or respiratory protection, if necessary. Provide safe access within 25 feet, 7.6 meters, of workers into and out of the excavation. Provide appropriate protections if water accumulation is a problem. If you are the excavation competent person in your company, you have the responsibility to ensure your team can perform all activities inside the excavation safely. This means that the excavation is safe, and with the proper access and egress in place. As well, the emergency procedures are in place to minimize the consequences if something goes wrong. Visit our channel for more Toolbox Talk and other safety topics. See you next week for another Toolbox Talk. Bye-bye. And always stay safe.